Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created this DIY deep conditioning hair mask using 100% natural ingredients. So if you would be interested in seeing how I created this deep conditioning hair mask, then please keep on watching.
I know you feeling this.
Come closer to me, and I'll come closer to you.
So the first ingredient that I'm going to be using is moringa. So moringa prevents hair loss and it also helps to strengthen the hair. The moringa leaf will add nutrients to the root and the scalp, stimulating the hair follicles and promoting hair growth. It also improves the hair texture and prevents premature graying and hair dandruffs. So the next ingredient is fenugreek. So fenegreek powder is a rich source of vitamin A, K, and C. It also has calcium, iron, and protein, which are essential nutrients for the hair growth. And fenugreek powder also promotes a healthy scalp environment, which contributes to hair growth. So my next ingredient is aloe vera juice. In one of my previous videos, I shared with you guys how I created this aloe vera juice from the aloe vera plant. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it up in the cards so you can go ahead and have a look. The next ingredient is this bee flower honey. So you can use any honey that you have at home, and some ripe avocado. So you want to make sure that your avocado are nice and ripe. So this one has the little sign on it saying that it's ripe. And then I'm going to be using my blender. So I'm just going to cut up the avocado. So depending on the quantity that you want, you can use 1 or 2 avocados. So I'm going to use 1.5 pieces of avocado. So now I'm going to add the fenugreek and the moringa powder, as well as the aloe vera juice. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is both an emollient and a humectant, making it a great hair moisturizer. The emollient smooths the hair follicles, adding sheen to dull hair, and the humectant bond add moisture to dry strands. So by moisturizing and locking in sheen, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. So next I'm going to be adding an oil blend. You can use any oil blend that you have. I'm using the TR Natural hair oil, which has 7 oils in it, but you can use any oil that you have at home. So next I'm going to blend it in my blender for a smooth consistency. So it looks kind of like this. And then I'm going to take the mix and put it in a bowl. And I like to further mix it with my hand, and also adding a half a glass of warm water because I feel that it makes the consistency much smoother. And this is the final result, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. So when you're applying this in your hair, make sure that you're applying it in the shower or anywhere that you don't mind getting messy, because this can be a bit messy. So you just want to go ahead and apply this overall to your hair. So after applying it, I'm going to put this plastic bag on my hair. So to further deep condition my hair, I'm going to be using this hot air cap. I've been having this for years. So I'm just going to apply it on and leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, make sure to rinse this out really well. I even went in and used some shampoo to really make sure to get everything out, but I was still having some little pieces of fenugreek stuck in my hair, but nothing too serious. Hi ladies, if it's your first time seeing this face, please don't let it be your last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you here. I put out content on natural hair care, beauty, and lifestyle vlogs, so please click on the subscribe button down below and join the family. So after rinsing out the Moringa deep conditioner, I went off and kind of blow out my hair. So right now what I want to do is to share with you guys a quick and easy hairstyle that you can rock in the fall and winter season. You know, during the fall time, you don't want your hair to be out because the cold can kind of dry out your hair, make it brittle and break off. So as much as possible, you want to tuck your ends away, wear like protective hairstyle like wigs, braids, twists. So just watch along and see how I create this quick and easy hairstyle. I'm just gonna make 3 flat twists here in the front. As you see, I've parted it here. So I'm just gonna take that. So when you reach to the end, you just wanna twist that down. You don't need your parting to be like super neat, because this is like I said, a quick and easy hairstyle. So now that I have my 3 twists here, I'm just gonna pull this hair to the back. So I'm just gonna pull this hair to the back like so. I don't know if you guys remember this from back in the day. Yes, I still use this to give me like that big perfect bun. So I'll just take it in my hand like this. And then you just take your brush and kind of brush your hair around it. So for my 3 twists that I have here, what I'm gonna do is to swoop it like this, like so, and then take a bobby pin and just pin it down. So next I'm gonna take my comb and kind of make this puff out a bit. Kind of giving it more volume. And I'm using this Eco Styler gel to kind of sleek down my edges. This is the one with olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil and flaxseed. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I just thought I would put in a quick and easy protective hairstyle that you can rock during this fall and winter season. So I hope you're gonna give the deep conditioner a try and let me know how your hair turns out. And if you also try this quick and easy hairstyle, let me know down below how you like it. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And until my next video, bye guys, and have a lovely week.